Hi, hello guys. If you're one of those people who want to make money online, I know the first thing you do most times is to go to Google and type this common keyword, how to make money online in Nigeria. As you can see, different things that people have been typing to know how to make money online in Nigeria. They do this, they go to Google and type this every time, and what do they get? They get countless numbers of results. But what they don't know is that Google itself has the power to help them to make money online, that is, they can get paid in dollars by Google every day. You might be like, oh, how is this for real? Can this really work? Can you really make money? Can Google itself pay you dollars itself? Now, how does that happen? Now, I'm going to show you 3 programs from Google that is going to help you to earn money. Of course, the first one is YouTube. You all know YouTube. You go to YouTube every day, you watch videos, and you know, kind of a lot of interesting video. But has it ever come to your mind that you can also upload videos to YouTube and be making money from it? Of course, you might be like, hey, I can't show my face. I'm this, I'm that. I don't have technical skill. The idea is that you don't even need to have technical skills to upload videos on YouTube. There are a lot of different ways you can go about it, but the first thing is that you need to first of all know that you can make money online with YouTube, and that's the first way to get started. Then you are going to learn every other thing that is required for you in order for you to be able to make money with Google, with YouTube on Google. Now, as I said, the first one is uploading videos to YouTube. You're going to learn more about that in these videos. You're going to learn more about that in this channel later on. Now, what about the second one? The second one is called Admob. Yeah, you'll have noticed that most times when you open apps or softwares on your PC or on your phone, you see ads there. So the ads that you are seeing is supported by a Google program called Admobs. So if you have an app on Play Store or on App Store and it is integrated with Admob, you're going to be earning money from these apps. I might be like, okay, I can't build app by myself. Of course, there are a lot of apps that are out there. You don't even need to build apps. You can buy script and install, then upload these apps to your app store. And the interesting thing is that you don't need to know how to code, and you don't even need to spend a lot of money. Just keep this in mind. First of all, is that knowing this knowledge that you can earn with Google, to Google Admob, to applications that you have in Play Store, is you are one step ahead to understand that you can actually get paid with Google. And the third but not the least, which I'm going to talk about in this video, is Google AdSense. Yes, you can make money with Google AdSense. Now, this Google AdSense pays you, if you have a blog or your website where you put content, they pay you for visitors that come to your website. And with this method, you can make money without selling anything. For example, I'm choosing that let's say you have a blog and most of the traffic comes from Asia, and let's say your blog is all about arts and entertainment. When I click calculate, as you can see, it's showing me that for 50,000 visitors you can earn this amount of money, as you can see. But when you change this category, okay, all right, and the traffic source, this amount is gonna keep increasing. As you can see, let's say most of your traffic sources are even from North America. When you click it, as you can see, $19,000 per annual, and this is an estimate. Look at, if your visitors are increasing, the amount of money you earn increases. So out of these 3 methods, I'm going to tell you that first of all, let me finish talking about this AdSense. It helps you to earn through if you have a blog and you can be displaying ads, and this is the easiest way for anybody who is interested in making money online with Google, because all you just need to just have a blog and then start putting content on it, and gradually as you're putting content, this content is going to be getting traffic, and this traffic are going to be earning as they are seeing ads that is being displayed by the Google AdSense on your website. So those are the 3 ways that you can take advantage right now to start making money with Google, and they are going to pay you in dollars. Yes, you're going to start getting paid with dollars if you can look at these 3 programs and see the one that you can work with. But if you want my suggestion, I'm going to tell you that you should start from this Google AdSense, whereby you have a blog, because it's easier for a beginner to set up a blog and start posting content. However, if you are really interested in owning a blog, as I said, and you actually want to use it to make money with AdSense, you can click the link in this video. We have a mentorship program where we show people how to set up their blog and how to monetize. Actually, we even do it for them, so they don't have to go through the steps of having to say, I don't have technical skill, I cannot create content. We are going to show you, we're going to give you offer you a done for you system, whereby you're going to have a blog, you're going to have it monetized, and you're going to be sending traffic to it for you, so you can start earning with Google. So these are the 3 ways you can earn with Google, and I've said earning with Google AdSense through your blog is the best way to get started. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, I want you to click like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in owning your own blog to start earning, make sure you check the link in the description to join a mentorship program that is going to help you to get started. Have a nice day.